I'd like to show you how you can take a quiz with Python. In the quiz there would be a question and 4 options, and you can pick one of them. First, in the program you can start by taking a list. Within that list it will contain more lists. Each of these lists are individual questions. So here I have 5 questions. If you look at this list, in the first item you can see there is a string, and this first item is always the question. The next 4 items are ABCD options, and the final item is the answer. So let's look at the second list. It has a question, can a dog talk? And it has 4 options, yes, no, maybe, and the D is ask the dog. So the answer is B, which is no. So down here I have initialized 3 variables: index, score, total score. I'll be using them later. I have made a while loop here, and it is supposed to run until index is no longer less than the length of the questions. Right now in the code you can see I've taken the question and I have printed it. So if I run this code, it will run for infinity because index is not incrementing. Anyway, I have also taken list of the ABCD options. At the end I have taken the answer, which is at the index 5. Now I am taking the answer from the user. If the user given answer matches with the answer of the list, then 10 points will be added, else no points will be added. After this condition checks, now I am incrementing the index by 1. You could say the quiz program is now done, though it does not calculate the score. After the while loop, you can see I am calculating total score, or the max possible amount of score, meaning 50 points, since it is 5 questions here. If it was 10 questions, there would be 100 points at max. So I am calculating that with this. In the end, I am printing the total amount of score the user is getting and the total possible amount of score, which is 50 in this case. So now you can see the quiz program is finished. It gives 5 questions, 4 options, and the user gives an answer. If it matches with the already set up answer, then it adds 10 point to the user score. If it doesn't, then it adds 0 point to the user score. And finally it says that the user has gotten 20 point out of 50 point.